Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the user manual of this fantastic plugin, the Avalon VT747SP. Whether you're a seasoned audio engineer or just starting out, this plugin has a lot to offer, and we're here to explore all its features and functionalities together. And guess what? On the official website, it's priced at €73.95. So, let's get started. Avalon VT747SP was developed by Kazrog in conjunction with Avalon Design and is meticulously modeled upon their hardware, carefully studying multiple units over the course of 2022 and 2023. We believe it is the most accurate digital representation of Avalon's legendary analog hardware to date, and we are honored to have been selected to model this incredible piece of hardware. Avalon VT747SP is a low CPU footprint plugin by design and is intended to be usable on every track and/or bus in a mix. With flexible oversampling controls for both online and offline processing, Avalon VT is customizable to allow for a balance of real-time performance and mixdown quality. The Avalon VT combines a tube-discrete modeled Class A opto-compressor with a musical 6-band program equalizer, as well as output level and gain reduction metering. Ideal for signal conditioning, stereo bus compression, and EQ, stereo keyboards, and mastering applications. Full dynamic control from soft compression to hard knee limiting can be achieved with master threshold, compression ratio, attack, and release controls. Gain reduction indication is a large analog-style VU meter. Low and high frequency, LF and HF, contour parametric spectral controls can be routed into the internal sidechain path for enhanced frequency-dependent compression with variable frequency and threshold levels. An SC listen switch provides sidechain listen mode for easy monitoring or creative EQ applications. The 6-band program EQ models the smooth characteristics of an all-passive design. The frequency turnover, Q, and amplitude ranges have been carefully chosen for each band to provide the most natural harmonic balance with lowest phase change while offering simple and effective tone control. The EQ can be placed pre- or post-compressor for enhanced versatility. The Avalon VT747SP features TSP, tube signal path, which gives you the choice of either tube tone, utilizing 3 virtual high-voltage dual triode tubes, or the classic, class A discrete transistor sound, utilizing virtual discrete transistor amplifiers in the primary opto buffers and output stages. Preset Browser. Browse through plugin presets and use A to B compare. Every instance of Avalon VT747SP has an A and B slot for a currently loaded preset. Click on the inactive slot to try different settings out, then compare to the other slot by clicking on its button. Use the copy button to the right of the A and B buttons to copy the currently active slot settings to the inactive slot. Opens the settings panel, where global fine-tuning settings for the plugin are found. Theme. Changes UI theme, silver or black. Input. Trims input level -20 dB to +8 dB. 5. Threshold. Sets compressor input threshold from -30 dB to +20 dB. Compression ratio. Sets ratio of compressor from 1:1 to 20:1. Attack. Variable attack time for the compressor from 2 milliseconds to 200 milliseconds. Release. Makeup gain. Adjust from 0 to +10 dB variable gain on opto compressor. Sidechain LF and HF threshold. Adjust the sidechain LF and HF threshold from -15 dB to +15 dB. Clockwise rotation raises the threshold and counterclockwise lowers the threshold at the frequency set by the corresponding spectral control directly below. Sidechain LF and HF spectral. Sweeps sidechain filter frequency in Hertz. +10 dB switch. Boosts input amp by +10 dB for extra tube overdrive. TSP. Twin signal path switch in swaps 3 tubes into the audio path from discrete Class A amps. EQ to comp. Inserts the 6-band graphic EQ before the compressor. Sidechain. Inserts 2-band spectral EQ into compressor sidechain. GR LED. Indicates compressor speed and activation. Switch in 4 2-band spectral EQ into the audio path to monitor sidechain. Compressor. Switch in engages compressor into signal path. VU meter. Visually displays the current amount of compressor gain reduction in dB. Graphic EQ band 1 to 15 Hz, shelf, minus 24 dB to plus 24 dB. Graphic EQ band 2 to 125 Hz, peak dip, minus 8 dB to plus 8 dB. F3. Graphic EQ band 3 to 500 Hz, peak dip, minus 4 dB to plus 4 dB. Graphic EQ band 4 to 2 kHz, peak dip, minus 4 dB to plus 4 dB. F5. Graphic EQ band 5 to 5 kHz, shelf, minus 10 dB to plus 10 dB. Graphic EQ band 6 to 32 kHz, shelf, minus 20 dB to plus 20 dB. Output meter. Stereo fast LED meter indicates LR output level minus 30 dB to plus 30 dB. Output level. Output level control minus 20 dB to plus 6 dB. Post-processing. Great for final level adjustments to user presets. Graphic EQ. Switch in. Activates 6-band graphic EQ into audio path. That wraps up our look at the Avalon VT747SP plugin. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.